Hey guys, welcome to Helpful Solutions. This is how to make many images move in Capcut by keyframes. So first one is add a background for your image, and I will be using our background. And now after that, just simply add a picture. So for this video, I will do two pictures as an example. So guys, remember that this will be just an example feature so I could show you how to. So first one is put your picture where you want it. And from here, you could just simply go for the basic and go for the position and size over here and select the first keyframe. Now, let's say I want to move it into this place over here. So in order for you to do that, just simply go to a different time frame. Let's say I'm gonna go for this one and I'm gonna try to move it over here. And as you can see, it will automatically add a keyframe. And when we play the video, as you can see, it will move. And now, for example, this second picture, I'm gonna put it over here. And now I'm gonna start the keyframe by the starting video and select the keyframe over here. And I'm gonna go for the duration where I want it to move. And let's say I'm gonna move it over here. And I'm just gonna click and drag the picture over here. And as you can see, it will automatically add a keyframe. And when we play the video, as you can see over here, it will move according to our preferences. And guys, you could also add another one. So let's say I'm gonna move this picture over here at the top. So I'm gonna go for the different time frame. And I'm just gonna click and drag it to a different place. And I'm gonna do the same thing on the second video or the second image. And as you can see, we will have them moving based on our keyframes that we did. And there you go. You could just simply keep on going. And this will be based on your preferences. And there you go. I hope this video helped you understand more. If you do, leave a like. And thanks for watching, guys. See ya.